After the Pahalgam attack, Government of India has taken some tough diplomatic measures against Pakistan. Among them, which has irritated Pakistan, is the cancellation of Indus Water Treaty. We are in the Ladakh and we will let you know what is Indus Water Treaty, why the water of Indus is lifeline for entire Pakistan, and how by the cancellation of Indus Water Treaty, the water of Indus and its tributaries could be diverted or stopped, and what kind of its impact will be on Pakistan. I am currently at the last village of Indian side on line of control in Batalik sector, and this is the point where the Indus river enters into the Pakistan. My cameraman can show you. This is the on the backdrop of this river. This mountain belongs to, on other side of it is the Pakistan and this side is India. So this is the last point of the entry of Indus water into the Pakistani occupied Kashmir. Askardo is the city which is on the other side of the LOC in Pak occupied Kashmir, but this Dardar Su, this is the last village here. Now what has happened after the Pahalgam attack? There is escalating tension between India and Pakistan, not only on the diplomatic level where the Indus Water Treaty has been cancelled, but also there is lot of tension on the borders and line of control. These people in this village are also in the fear that probably if there is mounting tension between the two countries, they are not going to be left, because in the Kargil war, this area was the battlefield in 1999, and in fact the first intruders were spotted only on that mountain which is just behind me. That was the mountain which was captured by the Pakistani intruders then, and after the more than 1 month war, those intruders were dragged out from that mountain. So it is the possibility, if there the tension between India and Pakistan escalates, there will be also the escalation in this sector, and also the focus of tension between India and Pakistan is the water of this Indus river, on which the whole activities of life and business are going on in Pakistan, and if the water of this river is diverted or stopped, this will have the huge impact on Pakistan. Nowadays you can see very low level of water in the Indus, because it is still the winter here in the Ladakh. The temperatures during the night are sub-zero, when in the month of May and June temperatures will start rise. This river will be flowing fast and with lot of water, when it is the acute need for the Pakistanis to get water from this river. Ashraf Ani for India Today on LOC in Batalik sector.